Get out of here. Yeah, that's mine.
Hey guys.
Jesus didn't say share that. No, he didn't. Sorry about that. I completely forgot today was Thursday.
Can you hear me, Katie?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you there, Ammon?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. All right.
What?
I don't know if think we should wait a minute for the other.
So hi, I think we're on 2 different calls here.
Thank you.
Okay. Did you click the link that I just emailed you?
I did. It's Justin that I've got on another phone call.
Oh, funny.
I did, yeah.
Okay. Do you guys want to wait a few minutes or just get started?
You're not Jeremy. Stop.
Awesome.
I know.
Okay. So let me see if I can figure out between the two, because I'm going between 2 video calls right now.
Okay.
So on mine, I did have the invite right there on Hangouts on Air.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's where I got mine.
Do you have yours there, Justin?
Justin?
Yeah.
I think she's talking to somebody else.
I don't see him on mine.
So it was right when I went into log in Google Plus. And then I had the conversation invite. Sorry, I've got to try to get my children to be quiet too.
My mom always just hit us real good.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay, so on the list I have Ammon, Katie, Justin, and then there's a Kyle down there. So is Justin here or on the phone?
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, I'm back. So
do you have Justin on another thing, Katie?
I do. I have Justin on.
Did you set one up? You linked into mine, right?
I'm linked into yours, and then I'm on one with Justin as well. I'm talking to 2 people here.
Does Justin want to click that link that I sent?
He said he didn't get it.
I'll send it again. Let me pull up his email.
Okay.
So.
Okay, so Justin thinks he's got the link now, so we'll see if he shows up now.
Okay.
Yeah, that was weird trying to talk to 2 and everybody hearing me both ways. There he is.
There we go.
Okay, so I'm going to screen share the assignment.
Okay.
Okay, can you see? That's, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So here's the assignment, part 1. Let's get down to part 2.
Okay.
Okay, so you guys all, I'm sure, pulled up the mystery investment opportunities.
Yes.
The following data set are data of stock performance of specific companies. Click the mean, standard deviation, and sample size for each of the companies.
Yep.
So everybody, I could not find the sample size. Anybody else have any ideas of what I did wrong?
Okay, so what I found is if you clicked on, I'm trying to think what it's called, because I have to link through the other server to do mine because I haven't bought the program.
Okay.
But you were able to actually find the means from it, and it gave you the mean, the standard deviation, and the number. And yeah,
So
so if you go into analyze,
okay. And descriptive data statistics?
compare means.
Oh. And then which one?
And then I have to have the video feed in the road, so I'm trying to see through it. I can't remember because it like gave me the means, and then I put in there like I wanted to see table A. Yeah, so if you click on A from there, and then
Okay.
click OK.
So you don't add all of them?
I didn't, but it ends up adding them all onto the same graph anyway. So
Okay.
right there, if you see in the report, it gives you the mean, the number, and the standard deviation right there.
Okay, so the sample size was 41.
Yep.
Okay.
So basically what you would divide it by to find the mean.
Mm-hmm.
Once I figured that out, this assignment was so much easier. I probably
So,
spent too much time trying to figure that out.
so I had a problem. So the stock performance, is that just that whole column?
Yeah, so A was
Okay.
one company, B is another company, C, D, E. Yeah, they're all individual companies that way.
Yeah, because 6 I thought was easy because you could do that, but I just didn't understand 7 because I did a histogram for each of the columns for A through E, but
Yeah.
my graphs didn't look similar, and it's probably because I had different numbers and values and stuff for the sides, like for each axis and stuff. But mine didn't
Right.
look that similar, and so I didn't know if it was still that or what it was.
Yeah, so go from that, and if you went into graphs and then down to histogram, it showed you the histogram right from there.
Yeah.
So
Correct.
if you guys can see the screen, that's the example of my graphs. Do they look the similar?
Yeah, see, that's what mine
Yeah.
looked like.
That's what mine looked like too.
Okay.
I took a picture with my phone since, you know, you can't save from their remote server.
Yeah.
You can't
So
even
I'm
do a screenshot?
I couldn't get it to work. I tried doing the print screen and everything, and it wouldn't do it. So I took pictures with my phone. So I'm like looking at my graphs through my phone. When I get some, hopefully tomorrow, we get paid tomorrow. So I think I'm going to buy the program, just do it. Because I'm like, maybe I can just get through without paying for a $40 program. But it'd
Well,
be
my
easier.
issue is that I'm running on a Mac, and the other one, you have to go to Windows.
Yeah,
It was a disaster, so I just bought it. Okay,
Yeah, I'm
So
doing
we-
mine.
it'd be easier to buy it because I could save it.
yeah. Okay, so on number 8, compare the results you obtain with others. Blah, we just did that. If you were saving for retirement, which of these 5 companies would be the most attractive? And justify your answer. Somebody want to take that one?
I don't know. That's one that I'm like, I don't know, because there's some major drops. It goes high and then it really drops out on some of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I thought this one
Yeah,
looked pretty good, but then why did I say that one wasn't so good? I don't know. That was my answer, was the third company.
yeah. And that was mine too, because it seemed to have less variation compared to the
Yeah.
other companies.
Yeah, it was more of like a,
Yeah, it seemed a lot steadier. I mean, just like the
Mhm.
stock market, you're going to have drops, but that one didn't have quite as bad, I guess.
yeah. Okay, and then I ended up having to go to Excel to create this dang table because my numbers, I couldn't get the deviation from the mean to equal 0 until I put it into Excel, because there was just too many decimals out here.
Yeah.
Did you guys get your graph done?
So I just put all the numbers in to this program, and then I
Uh-huh.
just had the one mean and standard deviation for all of it.
So
I have
this right
done that
here.
wrong. Yeah, because I was assuming it went like the first problem where they had the whole list of all the companies, and then they found the deviation from company A, company B, company C, and that's kind of what I went off of. So I probably did that one wrong, but I don't know.
Okay. So what I did was I took the observations from the severe and I put them in the program, and then I just built that chart going off of, let's see, I found the median or the mean, and then I calculated these. Did you guys, Ammon and Justin, did you guys get the same answers?
I did not get that one done.
No, I didn't get
Oh.
it done.
Okay.
That one was confusing.
Yeah, I was
completely
kind of
spaced on
confused
this,
on.
to be honest with you guys. I just had a big job interview that's been going like crazy all week.
Well, hopefully you get it.
Yeah.
It's not-
Hopefully it was worth it, right?
I have to fly to Texas next week to go interview the last guy,
Fun.
right?
At least
So I'm
it's, well, I guess you're in Arizona, so it's warm anyway, but those of us in Utah and Idaho, we're freezing.
Yeah.
I'd
So-
rather be
Actually-
out in Idaho snowboarding right now.
Yeah. I'm actually headed to Mexico the end of February, so
Wow, lucky.
I'm headed to
with
the
my
cruise
husband.
next Saturday. So you guys are going to see me from the boat.
Nice.
I'm hoping I have internet at the place that we're staying at. Otherwise, I'm not sure what I'm going to do.
What part of
So-
Mexico are you going to?
I'm trying to remember. I think we're going to Cancun. I can't remember.
Hmm.
It's
Fun.
one of those. It was one of those. You go listen to a spill and they give you a free trip.
Oh,
Oh,
Yeah.
So
You can't
yeah,
mess that up.
yeah. I was like, okay, I'll listen to the spill for you to send me to Mexico for a few days.
absolutely.
Yeah. Okay,
And
well,
it's cold here.
are you ready for the quiz?
Yeah, let's go ahead and work
What did
on
you say?
that. Get to the right window here.
Dude, like, you just have to wait there.
Huh.
I'm getting there.
Oh, not
I-
the home quiz.
I had literally just walked in the door just before I got on.
Pull your ghost up.
And then did you get the homework done? 'Cause I think part of our group thing, we're supposed to talk about the homework if anybody had problems.
I think the homework, isn't that the thing that we're
That's-
supposed to fill out with our reading?
Yeah, that's what we did. I think that's what we were just talking about was the homework.
Yeah, that's what we were just talking about.
There's two things because there's a prep
There's
one
the
and then
part-
there's homework. Yeah. I
Oh,
just found out about that. I just saw that today because I did lesson 2 homework, which I didn't realize there was homework afterwards.
Yeah.
So-
let me
yeah.
put the
Yeah, I
homework.
missed that one too.
Oh, man, that sucks. I missed it.
Yeah.
So
So
lesson
that's
2
what we
was
just
super
went
easy.
over.
Yeah,
And
yeah. I'm
Oh, I
sitting
see
here
lesson-
looking through it
Yeah,
now.
lesson 3 homework is
is
what
this.
does it do?
It's due on, isn't that one due Saturday?
Wait, which one?
Yeah.
Can you make her screen bigger again? How do I do that?
So this is the homework that I just finished.
Okay. Yeah,
So it's got all of these bar or block thingies.
yeah. Yeah, I was just looking through it, so,
So
yeah.
anyway, so
Yeah.
make sure you guys get your homework done.
Yeah, I don't know how I missed that. Probably because I'm trying to do too many things tonight. I just told him, because I'm on the roundtable staff for Cub Scouts and I teach the Weeblos group, and I just told him, I said, for the next few months, I've got to have help. I can't do everything I'm doing. Find somebody to help me.
Yeah.
I've taken too many classes. I'm in over my head.
Yeah, I'm at 13 credits, so, and I'm
boy.
like, if I can just keep doing this, though, I'll be done in 2018. We'll see.
Yeah.
This is like my last semester. I can't wait to be done.
Lucky.
I just started last semester
Dude,
after
I've
school
put
years
in
off.
I've put in my time though. I've been taking 16, 17 credit loads for the past 2 years.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
But
I'm a
aren't you
geology
single?
Four semesters.
Oh, yeah, that's why I'm single, because of 17 credits.
It's
See,
worth
I'm a
it.
mom of 4, so I have 4
Yeah.
kids.
I have 4 kids and I work full time and I'm taking full time credit.
Yeah.
Whew.
4
I'm about
kids.
ready to die.
I
You
don't
guys
know
are
how you
rock
guys
stars.
do that. My
I'm still trying to figure it out, so.
my mom's a nurse in the Navy, and she started when I was like 7, and then graduated with 6 kids.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I was like, every time I complain about college, she just backhands me pretty much.
So do
Yeah.
I. My kids, if you can't get your high school homework done, don't even come to me.
Yeah. See, my oldest is 12 and my youngest is 2, so.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
I had to enlist my 12-year-old. I'm like, okay, just tell me if I'm right on this whole standard deviation and what a mean is. Just remind me, because she did this last year in 6th grade. So the
Are you guys-
and everything.
So have you opened the meeting quiz?
I'm about to. I was waiting to make sure everybody else had.
Yeah,
Okay.
I've got it open right now.
Okay.
Because they're in question number 3, it's gonna be about the homework.
Oh, we can figure that out.
Okay.
I've done all the reading and everything, so
I-
I just didn't realize it was separate from.
Yeah. All right, where did I just put that?
Oh, I need a bigger screen.
Nope.
Hey, this one's only like 10 questions long. It ain't bad.
No.
Hmm.
So,
Okay, maybe it's not.
okay, it looks like we need to pull up this wrong site, wrong patient in that program.
Okay, so I'll pull it up.
And then it wants us to find the mean that the hospitals had to pay in wrong site lawsuits.
I just had all that. Where did I put it?
This is where 2 computer screens would be nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Have one doing one thing and the other one doing another thing. My husband says he has about 4 or 5 different computer screens works with.
That'd be nice.
I only have 2 at work, but that's enough.
Yeah.
I know I just did all of those answers. We wouldn't have to figure them out again. Oh, yeah, they're right here. Okay, so the mean is what they want in wrong patient lawsuits, right?
Correct.
It's 46,172. Where did my quiz go? Oh no. Okay, the mean amount of hospitals paid to wrong site And that was wrong patient. So, back to the program. Okay, so the mean is $80,041. Yeah? Is
Yeah.
that what you guys are all seeing too?
So 80,000. What was it again? Because I looked at it and
$41.
41. That's what I thought. I just wanted to double check.
Okay, find the median amount hospitals had to pay to wrong site lawsuits. So the median
Oh
okay,
man.
the other one. Okay, so the median is 68,552. Does that look right?
68,560.
Yep.
Yep.
Making sure. 68552.
Yep. And make sure you just write in the number because it yelled at me. When I tried to put the dollar sign in or whatever, it's like invalid number.
Yep.
Okay, so find the standard deviation of the amount paid.
In wrong site
And
lawsuit.
that is right here. Oops, I guess you can't highlight on my screen. So 71,403. And there was some decimals, round to the nearest whole dollar. Okay. Do you think we should round to 4, 71,404?
Yeah. Yeah, if it's the nearest whole dollar, right? Is it because that was that 0.8?
I'll go back. Yeah, 0.828.
Yeah, so let's round it to 4.
4.
That's what I was trying to see if it was.
Okay, use the following information to answer the next 5 questions. Hepatic angiosarcoma is a rare, unusual, fatal type of liver cancer. Study was conducted on 4 individuals with this illness. The data represents their survival times in months. Okay. So it's not going to let me copy that. So I guess we can just add it up with our calculator
What's-
and divide it by 4.
That's what I was just.
That's 7, right?
Yeah, 7.
Yep.
Yep.
And then the median,
Five.
because it goes from
1, 3.
1, it's in between 3 and 5. So would it?
It wouldn't be 4. No.
Oh, let's see. Go there.
So 5. I can tell you the numbers.
Okay. Yeah, 5.
19, 1, and 3. Let the program do the work for us.
Yeah.
It should be, yes.
So it is 4. Okay, it's in between the
4.
3 and the 5. So
Yeah.
it's 4.
Okay.
Okay.
Where's Excel?
So give the number that would be entered in the space labeled A. So that would be 19 minus 7, right?
Yeah.
So 12 would go in A. And then 1 minus 7 squared is 0.02 for B.
I believe so.
You guys getting the same answer?
Yeah. That's what I got. 0.02.
For 9.
Yeah.
And then the standard deviation. I'm gonna go 8.165. So I think it said round it 10th. So
Round it
8.
to the nearest 10th.
So 8.
So 8.
8.105. That would be 8.1, right?
Right.
Oh, we're rounding it to the 10th, not
Yeah.
the.
Nearest 10th.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry.
You're good.
That's what I was just reading. I'm like, I thought it said 10th.
So you said it was 8.1, you said?
Yeah.
Well, wouldn't you round it to 2, 8.2?
Yeah, that's what I was looking. Is it 8.1?
No. The next one's the 100th is a 0 and the 1000th is a 5. So then you use the 0 to round it and it stays at 1.
Well, I have 165.
Oh, 165. So it'd be 8.2.
Oh,
2, yeah.
yeah,
That's what I
did
was-
you? I thought she
Yeah.
said 0.
I thought she did too. So
I could have. Okay, so what is the first number in the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit?
give the number rounded to the nearest cent.
I don't think this is the right one. No. Okay, so here's the data from that. So that's number 1 on, what are we looking for, the wrong site or the wrong patient?
Wrong patient.
Wrong patient.
So it's 250,000, right? Oh, and
Oh, that's awful.
We lost her.
Oh no. Gotta love technology.
I know, so good.
Gotta have that happen once in a while.
That happened to her last time too.
Yeah, quite a bit. We lost her a few times last time.
Yeah.
oh, there we are.
You're back.
It's probably my Wi-Fi cutting out. Okay, so it said it's in the 5-number summary.
What is the
Yeah.
4th number in the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit data?
So where was the 5?
Number summary.
What was the first number summary?
Isn't the 5? So the 5-number summary is the minimum first, right?
I think so.
Because it should be minimum then first percentile. I got you.
Yeah.
Yeah, the minimum, the first quartile, median, third quartile, and then the maximum.
Right.
So if I do the histogram on that, it should be, where did my data go? There it is. So are we, okay, let's see. Wrong patient. So I need to take that away. Well, that's got 6. So where would be the first number? Because then it would be 5.
And then it says give a number rounded to the nearest cent.
I'm stumped on this one.
I know. For me, it requires me connecting to a remote computer to really look at it.
Yeah. So is there a way that the program makes it a 5-number summary, or is that something we have to do?
That's what I was just trying to figure out. I was going to go into our reading and see if it said something about like how to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so right here, so select the menu item Analyze, then Descriptive Statistics, and then Explore, right?
Yeah, I'm getting there here.
That's on 6.2, and then in that blue box.
Oh, okay. My computer's thinking.
So right there, do I hit OK or?
That's what.
So I can't see your screen, but it says select the menu item Analyze, then Descriptive Statistics, then Explore. Then you click on the name of the variable for which you want to find the 5-number summary, which in this case would be the wrong patient, right?
Yeah.
Then click on the arrow next to the dependent list, which will move the highlighted variable over. Then you click on the statistics button and mark the box next to percentiles, which will provide you with the values of the quartiles.
Yeah, I think the first one's the median, which is the middle, right?
Yeah.
And then we have the maximum as a second, third is a minimum, and then first and third quartile. I'll try to do that real quick. Equals.
Baby. Baby.
I think the median is 18,882.
But it's asking for the first number in the 5.
The
Yeah,
fourth
that's-
number.
Oh, they want the fourth? So they want the Q1?
Yeah.
Does yours say fourth?
Mine says
Because I have
fourth.
first. Because question 11 for me is the first, then question 12 is the second, question 13 is the fourth.
Yep. I scrolled
they-
down too far.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
so
the
the
first
first
number.
number.
Which would be the minimum.
Yeah.
So that was what?
18,882.
That's the minimum.
Yeah. Or that's the median.
I think we need the min. Because it
Yeah, we need-
also says to give a number rounded to the nearest cent.
Hey, Lorinda, I don't know if you're trying to talk, but your microphone is muted.
How about now?
There you go.
Yes, we hear you now.
Goodness.
Oh man.
Maybe by the time the semester's done, we'll have this technology stuff figured out.
Hopefully.
It will be that last meeting that we have it all figured out.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just going through the reading here.
All right. All right, the minimum is 0. And now I just got to remember the formula for quantiles.
Well, are you guys looking at my screen?
We can't see your.
Oh,
We just see your picture.
Yeah, minimum is 0. Maximum is
so here's the quartiles right here.
There you go.
yeah, I can't hardly see that one.
Yeah. See. First number in the 5-number summary.
So would the first number be 0? And then this is the 3,900 is the second. 18,882 is the third. And then the 50,436 is the fourth.
Well,
That's what I'm thinking.
but what's the first? I thought the first was the median, right?
No, the first is the minimum.
First is the minimum. All right, so that is 0.
Okay. And then,
Okay.
the
And then we have
second number.
and then we have the maximum, right?
So because in question 12 it says what's the second number, which would be the first quartile.
Okay, so here's the first quartile is 3,900.
So 3,900 is 0 cents.
I sure hope this is right.
We get 2 tries, right?
And then the fourth number,
So the fourth number is the third quartile.
What was that first quartile one? The other one, the second number?
3900.00.
3900.00. Okay.
so the second quartile is 18,882.
So the fourth number, 882. Okay.
Well, that doesn't make sense.
That's the median.
The fourth quartile or the fourth number in the 5-number summary should be the third quartile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So maybe we need to put 1, 2, 3 numbers as these 3 right here. So 3,900 would be the first number. I don't know. I'm so confused.
I am too.
Well, because yeah, I agree. I think the first number is 0 because it should be the minimum. Because that's what the order of the 5-number is the minimum, then the first quartile, then the median, third quartile, and then the maximum. So I think our
Right.
first 2 are right. So the fourth number would be the third quartile. So
Yeah.
which is a 75, right?
Oh, yeah, because we are skipping the third number. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah. So it's
Yeah.
going to be that last number. So 50,437 if we're rounding it up to the nearest dollar.
Nearest
Net-
cent.
And that's
Okay.
for the fourth number?
So
Yeah.
50,436.50.
5.46.
So 50,436.50 because it wants rounded to the nearest cent.
Okay.
Gosh, that was hard.
That was a bit ridiculous
Yeah.
for sure.
Okay.
Good thing we weren't trying to do that one by ourselves.
Wow. So what's the third quartile of the red box decision time? That would be
Prop 180 maybe?
1, 2, 3. So it'd be about 180.
Yeah.
I think so too.
I
Because then
think
this
so,
is
too.
number 4, isn't it?
All the way at the top, yeah.
710.
I hate box plots.
I know.
What's the value of the mean? Would be this 100 at 105-ish.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, 105 seconds.
Okay,
That's
we'll go with that.
Here, I'll submit the quiz first and see if we're even
See
close.
how we do.
I wonder if it's gonna grade it because there's like the write-in answers. So I wonder if they have to go in and manually check it before it's graded, or does
Well,
it show it?
The last
Yeah.
class, my last class, it did that.
It will show it if it, because they have it programmed in there what numbers to look for.
Yeah.
So I got number 9 and 16 wrong.
So
Number 9 and
16.
Maybe it's 187 seconds on number 16.
That's what I was just wondering. Are we supposed to be looking at the top box? And that would be the 186 or 87.
Mm-hmm.
And then, so number 9, was that one of them that we struggled on?
And it says the answer is, my answer, I think, was 0.02.
Yeah, that's what we put, was 0.02.
Yeah.
Did you square the whole thing or just one number?
So 1 minus 7 equals,
It should be 1 minus 7 squared equals.
yeah. So, okay, so try 36. I don't know where I got the other one.
Okay, those were the only two that we missed?
Yep.
Okay, I'll submit and see how we did.
Okay.
Okay.
So 16 is still wrong.
Really?
So it's either cannot be determined or it's 62 seconds.
So,
Number 9 is right.
Yes. So all we
Okay.
missed on this one was 16 this time.
so I wonder if it's this cannot be determined because on the homework, that was one of the answers. Because on a box plot, you don't have enough of the values to
Yeah.
determine the mean.
That could be. So now, I
Okay,
guess maybe we
I'll
do-
submit it with this cannot be determined, and I'll see.
Okay.
and then if that one's not the answer, then the rest of us can go back in.
Yeah.
We can go off
Okay.
of Hammond's to make sure we get all the right answers in again.
Yeah, I don't
Okay.
think you can find it.
Yeah, it is. This cannot be determined. That was
Yeah,
right.
Okay.
that's what I thought.
Okay, so I will go back in and redo the quiz. It's not cheating, is it?
No, it's teamwork.
We're using our.
We gotta help each other
Resources.
Well,
out.
we're doing this statistically. If 1 out of 4 submits it, right? That's what we're in this for.
Oh, I guess.
Good argument. Good argument.
So mine's coming up. Oh, nope, I'm on the wrong week. Never mind. Because I'm like, mine says I did it twice already. I need to go to week 3. There we go. Now it'll let me do it again.
Nice.
Okay, so for question 3,
Ouch. Which one? Which one? What did you guys put for 13? 50,000.50?
13 is 50,436.5.
Oh, see, I didn't hear that
Okay.
last little part.
okay, so what's question 4?
So question 4 should be 68,552.
Okay, and question 3 was the 80,041, right?
Yes.
Okay. And then 5?
71,404.
Okay. And then
Hey, it
6,
lets you open up 2 pages.
so 6 was 7, right?
Yep.
I'm trying to remember as I go back through. And then 7 was
4.
4. And then it was 36 for number 8, correct? No,
12. 12 was
12.
number 8. 36 is
9.
number 9.
number 9.
Yeah.
And then 10 was 0. No, I'm on the wrong one. Okay, number 10,
8.2. Yep.
8.2. And then 11 was 0, right?
Yep.
Okay. And 12, that was the 3,900.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And then 13 was a big number. That's all I remember.
So that's
54.
50,436.5.
Okay. I knew it was started with 5. Okay, 14. What was that one again?
180.
It's hard to remember all these numbers.
I know.
15. And that's my child's screen.
710.
17.
710. 710.
10. Ah, I still put it in the number wrong. 710. There we go.
Mm-hmm.
And then this one was cannot be determined.
That's right.
Okay. I think I got them all. And there we go. Hey, I got them all right this time.
Woohoo!
Yay!
All right. I think that's good for tonight.
I think so too.
Hey, what do you guys want to do for next week? Did Monday work out good again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could do Monday.
8 is fine, or do you want to do later after bedtime for kids?
It depends on everybody else. I mean, my kids are usually in bed by 8:30 on a normal night. So
Yeah, I'm good whatever time.
Do you guys want to plan on 9 then?
yeah, let's go ahead and
Yeah.
plan on.
All right, so Monday at 9, we'll see you then.
Sounds
Okay,
good.
sounds good.
Okay,
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yep.
Bye.